20. I actually have a iron condor. So I lost money on my SPX call spread yesterday, but I now have an iron condor, and that iron condor is still on for today. So we'll see if that one makes money. It's this new strategy philosophy, which involves automatic trading. So I don't even do anything, and there's rules based. It's been profitable this year, done very well. So I'm short the. Let's see what I'm short. The 24-25 call spread and the 50-40 put spread. So I'll give you guys this one. So SPX for today, I am short the 64-25, 64-35 call spread and the 63-50, 63-40 put spread for 310 credits. So 310 risking $310, risking $690 to make 310. That is an automatic trading from this new system I'm using. And I lost money yesterday. I'm keeping it on a spreadsheet. If it makes money, I'll teach it to you guys, and we'll, it'll probably be our next product. And if it doesn't, we'll scratch it. So yesterday I lost $285. And that's actually this one has nothing so far. But yesterday on my call spread, I lost $285. Market ran up towards the end of the day, and then that call spread went to $5. So I did lose $285 on that. And we'll just track it every day, see how it does. We'll give it a month. If it makes money, I'll teach it to you. If it doesn't make money, I will not teach it to you. Kind of standard protocol here. I got my electrolytes. KGS calls were bought yesterday. And we are off. Futures down 18. Ooh, I got my electrolytes water. A lot of red here. Lots of red. HMC getting crushed. Thankfully, we took off HMC yesterday. HMC getting crushed here. So we took off HMC yesterday. SW higher. That was a trade I put on a couple of days ago. Futures down 23 here. I'm going to offer my target out at 2.25 on these. KGC basically unchanged here. It was about $1 a day. Sorry, KGS. Big buyer of KGS calls October 40s. I'm going to go 70 bid here on October 40s and KGS. HNRG, I sold some yesterday. Small, futures out 27 here. HNRG, they're 20-30. Just have a target out at 40. Just have a couple out. I'm going to dime bid here. And HNRG. Got my music going. SMG down again today. PR down. Samsora down. Frog higher. EH higher. DRS unchanged. Dole down a dime. CXW down 8 cents. CROU down 3 cents. BRBR, Beam, Acro. Some of them down $100 to start the day. AKRO, I'm going to go 90 bid for these. Let's go 85 bid here. AKRO, guys. AKRO, I'm 85 bid. And those are September calls. So AKRO, 9/19/2025. 55 calls. I am 85 bid. KGS is down. Bid on some KGS calls. Not filled. October 40s. Google higher. SOSX higher. AMD lower. Apple lower. Meta down again today. Planeteer down again. Maurice down today. KMI calls being bought. Next up again today. Saw some next calls. I was looking at next calls yesterday. January 13th. I thought that stock had to do with I'm putting it on bid in from next calls. I thought next had to do with I don't know, like biology or something like that. And next has to do with oil. They're buying Oct-13s a while ago. And next RSI we'll look at. We don't want anything that is post earnings. P&L will start the day. Oh, I'm down $34 now. Made about 700 yesterday, even losing in the SPX. HMC. I'd probably look to add to those at like 50 cents or 60, 80. Took those off yesterday for nice profits yesterday in HMC. CXW, bought some of those. Future starting to get a bid here. CXW in at 45. I'm going to have a target at 65. Yesterday, right on the opening, I got rid of 4 positions. It was weird. The market was down, and I was taking profits yesterday. Took off INVH yesterday for 35. P&L down $42. HNRG up on the day. Come on, move another dollar. I need to move a dollar 4 straight days. 20-30 on these calls. BRBR down. Not looking to buy BRBR. Frog up 77 cents. I had a great profit on 10 out of 10 on Frog. Got my music going. You're just done 20. Meta week again today. Double D down a couple shekels. Shekels. SW bid. That was a trade I put on the other day. It was a loser, then became a winner. Took off yesterday at WRB. That sucks up 4 cents. Beam down again today. MODV trading there. KGC trading here. Nothing yet, guys. RSI we're going to look at here in about 10 minutes. I got Pilates Reformer at 11 o'clock. KGS calls were bought yesterday. Yesterday we had a lot of action. Today it's pretty slow. TJX calls are basically worthless. HNRG up 2 cents. SMG down. Onion ONON down. Next now down. Really nothing for me today, guys. P&L is basically as flat as a pancake. You're just done 19 and a half. I do have an Iron Condor on for today. We'll see what happens to that. The Iron Condor. COTY 52-week low in Cotty. 52-week low here in Cotty. COTY 52-week low. Raw Stores calls trading here. Pre-earnings and ROST. Nothing to do in that one. Medtronic down. ARCT down. Remove both of these from my radar. Intel down a half. Have a put spread on for Intel for tomorrow. SW off the highs. SW, they're buck to 135. I'm going to go 80 bid in SW. Close 4 positions tomorrow morning. Today, just being patient, waiting for an opportunity. Nvidia up on the day. Tesla up on the day. CCJ calls being bought small. Small. AKRO down again today. I'm 85 bid. I'm going to lower my bid here to 80. Oops. It's okay. So 80 bid in AKRO. USAR, RSI, relative strength index. We're going to go to scan functionality here. NVAX getting crushed. So NVAX, what RSI candidate? So we're going to keep an eye on NVAX, guys. NVAX. NVAX, guys. That's going to be our candidate for today. We need a bear bar followed by a bull candle reversal. Starting to see a little bit of big cap technology starting to reverse off the lows. NVIDIA up on the day. Google up on the day. AMD about to go up on the day. Planets here about to go up on the day. So NVAX, possibility of a signal here in NVAX. See how I slept last night? I slept a lot. I have been sleeping a lot. My workouts are killer. 84 my sleep. Wow. AK, you're a beast. Futures down 21. Have an anaconda for today. Guess it's the only position I have expiring today. HMC, thankfully took that off yesterday for $1 on that pop. I mean, I'd rebuy those around that 50-cent level. Maybe around like 45 cents. Frog up on the day. EH up on the day. Microsoft. KGS calls were bought yesterday. $42 minutes, as long as we've seen without anything hitting the tape. We do not see anything hitting the tape yet. Someone said they're going to Greenland. Is someone going to Greenland? I want to go to Greenland. I'm headed to Europe today. I will be on 3 new countries. So I think I'll be up to 81. And I'm going to countries I'll be going to are Malta. Sicily is technically not a country. So Malta, Bosnia, and Macedonia. Sicily is technically not a country. Yeah, but I'm going to Sicily as well. and deploy to Bosnia. Yeah, but I think they're both going to be pretty chill. I brought a lot of books to read, I'll tell you that. I have an overnight flight to Frankfurt, and then Frankfurt to Malta tomorrow. I went to go see Nobody yesterday. Futures just chilling here at 19.5. This would be fine for my Iron Condor. I'd make the amount that I sold the Iron Condor for. I sold the Iron Condor for $350. So if the market doesn't move, at least I make money on that Iron Condor. Market chilling here. NVAX is one that we're going to keep an eye for. RSI yesterday was very aggressive, took a lot of positions off. Today, just don't really see an opportunity. Keep an eye on KGS, possible calls, AKRO, possible calls. Now AKRO coming back here a little bit. P&L is basically as flat as a pancake. Cisco trading here, nothing doing Cisco. Got a flight today out of Newark at 6, so I'll be doing a little Pilates this morning. Futures whacked down 32. And there's not really much I have on. So, like, HNRG is still my biggest dollar amount risk position. That stock's technically actually up on the day. Futures down 35. Have a put spread, the 63.50, 63.40 put spread. Basically, if the market goes down, that's what I have to dodge to get all my money for that. But AK has not done anything yet today. Waiting for an opportunity. We can be patient for a while. Don't have to force trades. Yesterday on the opening, 4 trades in the opening. And it always looks like they're front running the Fed Jackson Hole tomorrow. Because the futures are now down high here of, let me get a high here. High of 65.08. So we're down 130 points from the highs. 130 points from the highs. Yesterday we're down about 34, so 75. So basically down 34, 34, 34. So we're down 105 points in 3 days. P&L still holding up close to the highs. NVX, first candlestick's a bear candle, so we have to revisit it. So the first candle gives the bear candle here in the NVX. Looking at Snowflake, they're buying upside calls in Snowflake. Snowflake 190. DNTH higher. KGS, I would like a reversal so I can buy some calls. I'm 80 bid. I'm probably going to lower my bid here in KGS. I'm 70 bid. I'm going to lower those to 60 cents. HNRG now at 14 cents. I would like the market to crash and HRNG to go higher. Not asking for that much in life. EPD trading here, nothing doing EPD. EH actually up 36 cents today. I do not think EH had earnings. Before earnings on the 26th. So EH has earnings next week. I'm looking to buy next calls, NEXT. 67 cents here. Wow, really? I could have got those yesterday for 45. ENPH trading here, nothing doing that one. Wow. 19 minutes in, no signals. AKRO traded 16,000 shares. Maria's my bid at 85 again. The stock goes higher. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. I know when I'll be back. I'll be back the 7th. I got 4 books to read in 2 weeks. I'll probably read them in the first week. Then I'll be in Bosnia looking for books in English. CXW down. Definitely buy more of those for 30. So 30 bid here in CXW. CLMC calls were bought yesterday. Nothing in that. So CXW, guys. CXW. 10/17/2025. 24 calls. I am 30 bid. So bid here in CXW. CXW, guys. SMG January upside calls. Those are the 70s. I'm going to go 150 bid. To have a bid in the market. Simon's Miracle Growth. Intel down a half. I would put something that expires tomorrow. Every portfolio is up here today, guys. Something I'm kind of proud of here at Alpha Shark. Tomorrow we have Intel. Right now that'd be worthless. And then we have S. That'd be 100% loser, I think. 1918. Sentinel 1. We actually made money on calls. Have fun in Greenland. I'm kind of jealous. I want to go to Greenland. I don't know what is there to do in Greenland. I've been to Iceland, but I don't think you can fly from New York to Greenland. Last time I looked. MO68 looks like they're going to go to 0. Oh, it's only now 6 cents. KGS now down on the day. So KGS was a 10 out of 10. It hit the scanner towards the end of the day. Dole took some Dole off yesterday. I'd add Dole at a nickel. I'm not going to add it at a dime. ENTG trading here. Futures looking to make another leg lower. Yeah, a lot of profit targets yesterday, guys. INVH, HMS, HNRG, and Dole, and WRB. Futures down. VIX up a point. I love when the VIX goes up and they're like, we told you the VIX was 1450. You should buy protection. If you say enough things on TV, then you're eventually going to be right, right? Different than people that make crazy, wild predictions. If they're right ever once in life, they can live off that for the rest of their life. That's why I trade live every day in front of you guys, because there's no hindsight. I would say the proof is in the pudding. I can't make this stuff up. NVAX for the second candle is going to be a bear candle. CXW, I can lower my bid to a quarter anytime I want. They're 35.40. MO down 3 cents. USAR down. I'm going to cancel that one. Frog is higher today. I think Frog has something to do with like cybersecurity. SEP 50s are 45.70 in at 30 out of 45. They're up to 70 cents here in Frog. PDD 5,000 calls trading here. So this is technically the first signal of the day. It's a super option scanner. Buyer of PDD 926 2025 125 calls for 490. So there you go. Their first official thing that hit the tape. This is the first thing to hit on PDD. CNC puts trading here. 27 puts for next week, guys. CNC 27 puts for next week. This did have a 10 out of 10, guys. That was a day trade. Buy CNC 829 2025 27 puts for 25 cents. So CNC, guys, CNC puts, NVAX, possible RSI, and PDD. It's just whack, down 28. HNRG up 30 cents. Go. TTD trading here. Nothing to do in that one. HNRG traded 119,000 shares. AKRO. Took off HMC yesterday. It was a nice exit. Took off INVH yesterday. It was a nice exit. INVH actually up a little bit today. Took off WRB. So took off 4 exits yesterday. Rocket Launch Scanner, guys, puts in HPQ. So Rocket Launch Scanner puts in HPQ. So HPQ puts trading here. HPQ hoodies. So HPQ puts trading here. EH up a half. Have some Ox 23s offered out at 35. I'm going to go 15 bid here. I'm sure they'll go 20 bid in front of me. Oh, they actually did not go 20 bid. GDRX trading here. NVAX on the second candlestick is going to close, and it's going to be a bear bar. So second bear candle. If we get a bull candle in the next candlestick, this will be a buy. Samsora goes away tomorrow. Oh, sorry. IBKR goes away tomorrow. PR calls 1525. Here, just whack. Whack. Down 32. I don't really have anything bidden under the market. 33. There they go, Frazier. So I just sold an SPX call spread here. So here's another trade, guys. So I sold the SPX, and it's an automatic trade, 8/21/2025, 63.80. Oh, as the market rallies, 63.75.80 call spread for 175 credit. So here's a call spread I just sold, guys. 63.75, 63.80. This is on the breakouts to the downside in the SPX. We're going to add that to our spreadsheet. So this is a new trade for today. This is 8/21/2025. Sell the 8/21/2025. 63, I think it's a 63.75. 63.75, 63.80 call spread. That was sold at 175 as the market rallies here. We'll see what happens to it today. So I have the iron condor in, and I have a call spread on in the SPX. I have an SPX call spread and iron condor on. Looks like the market is going to explode down to the downside, and then it just reversed. CNC puts trading here, guys. CNC puts. Futures coming back now. Existing home sales just came out. I don't think that has anything to do with it. You're just rallying now. Only down 15. Next up 16 cents. So I took a call spread, guys. That will be on all day long. I know how much I can lose. The call spread can go to $5. I sold it at 175. I also have an iron condor on. So I'm technically short the market here. I'm short 3 deltas in the market. I'm short 3 deltas. Short 3 deltas. NVX, second candlestick is a bear candle, so we need a bull candle. So NVAX. Meta down 10 again. Dole up on the day. Dole up on the day. 10, 20 on those. So those yesterday at 15. KGC was interesting. KGS. I keep saying KGC. KGS was interesting yesterday. 1 to 115. Futures bid. Right after I sold the call spread, actually, I don't do anything. It just automatically trades. Needs to close under 63.75, which means the futures have to be down more than 17 for me to keep all my money on that. Also have an iron condor on that was put on yesterday. So 2 SPX trades for today. No exits so far today. And no entries. CXW have a bid, 30 bid. They're 35.45. HMC starting to come back a little bit. P&L is down $100. $100, AK. Futures only down 11.5 now. Wow, what a rally. Lots of this is for nonsense. Chop or nonsense. 25 minutes left, guys, together. And then Peter will take you through the next session. Peter told me that his trades have been absolutely on fire. And I'm having him put together a track record for me. MBOT. What is MBOT? That was fun. Myrick Bot Medical, April 5s. Ooh. Myrick Bot Medical. It's interesting. CXW going lower. I wanted to. If the 35 bid goes away, I can go 25 bid. PDD calls being bought. We do have earnings this week in EH. PDD, kind of sideways chart here. Double D is down. I would look to add to double D calls, Nove calls. I'm going to put an offer out in double D. I'm going to bid in double D. 340 is going to be my offer. $1 is my bid. And all I've done today, guys, is one SPX trade. So all I've done today is one SPX trade. I traded 2 contracts so far today. And you can see my fill here. It automatically trades for me based on a rules and a set. And then I just see, if it makes money. If it makes money, I'll teach you guys the system. If it doesn't make money, I won't teach you the system. Pretty easy. Right now, it would be a loser, but it has till all day. Brewers are under today. Futures down 10.25. This is kind of where my break even on it would be down 16 on the call spread. It was funny. They just whooshed them to the downside and they came right back. It was really weird. They were down as much as 33 and literally just right back. Frog was a great signal. Ten out of 10 has been great now. 7 of the last 8 trades have been winners at 10 out of 10. So seven of the last 8 trades have been winners for 10 out of 10. EH getting a bid. Those calls are still 20 at 30. I have a target of 20, 35. Interactive brokers moving up, doesn't really matter. HNRG. HNRG, they're 25.30 here. Pinot's about to go up on the day. So all I've done today is SPX, guys. All I've done today is SPX. One spread. I have a trade from Tim, so I'm going to take this trade here in APM. APM, I'm going to take this. 40-cent stop. So I'm going to do 200 shares. Filled at 285. So 235 will be my stop loss here, guys. So APM. I'll give you guys this one in a second. There's a trade from Tim. I've done really well taking his trades, so profit will be, oh Jesus, 420. OCO bracket order. Stop limit. OCO bracket order. And I'm in. ACM guy, APM. APM guys, official trade here in APM at 285. So APM guys in at 285 is a trade from Tim. APM in at 285. APM in at 285. So APM in at 285. 235 stop loss. And then target will be 420. APM guys, in APM here, guys. This is a stock trade from Tim. So in APM, and Mark sent out a signal. I'm going to take Mark's trade too. We're going to do a workday trade. So work day, work all day. So this is an iron condor for this week. So we're going to sell the 205 to 205 to, I'll give you this one too for free. That's the kind of person I am. One contract, 97 cents. It works for me. Oh, futures bid. So this is an earnings trade for Mark, guys. This is an earnings trade from Mark. Fill the 97. 100% free trade. Sell the workday 8/22, 2025, 245, 247.5 call spread. And sell the 205, 202.5 calls, a put spread. This is known as an iron condor for 97-cent credit. So workday, guys, new position on a workday. New position on a workday and APM. So APM and workday, guys, new positions on an APM and workday. We'll grab a sip of water. I'll take you through the next 15 minutes of the day. So workday iron condor, guys. SPX shorter call spread, workday iron condor, and APM long. So now I just did another trade here on SPX automatically. So it sold the 63.70, 63.75, 63.70 put spread. So SPX, I sold the 63.75, 63.70 put spread for 145 credit here. So another trade here in SPX automatically traded for me. ONDS trading here, not taking those. And let me add that one here. So sell the 821, 2025, 63.75, 63.70 put spread. Sold it for 145. Looks like it's almost locking in a loser unless we stay in a really tight range here. And then ODS trading, ODNS trading here, guys. So option hacker, buyer of ODNS. So ODNS trading here, guys. ODNS. Look at the market go. Unbelievable. Unbelievable here. Next higher, PR higher, shell higher, SW higher. Do you have a target on an SW? P&L, I'm now up $80. At the money straddle for today in the SPY. At the money calls, at the money puts for today. The 638 straddle. Implied about a 25-point move between now and the end of the day. So 25-point move between now and the end of the day, guys. 25-point move between now and the end of the day. 25-point move between now and the end of the day. 25-point move implied between now and the end of the day. Have a workday iron condor, SPX, a put spread, a call spread, and an iron condor. SPX, I'm short 1 delta. Short 1 delta. Kodiak gas and oil. APM, Tim's trade making money here. APM making money. Frog up a buck. Wow, frog up a buck here. That's a great trade. And Frogger. I paid 30. I sold them at 45 that day. They went up to 70. Big buyer PDD calls. Those are the 10-17, 130s. $4 million bet here. MO down, ONB unchanged. HMC coming up a little bit. EH having a profit target offered out. ZEH. SPX, I'm technically short 1 delta. CXW, I can always lower my bid on those October calls if I wanted to. 30 bid right now. I can always lower them to 25. ONDS, the only thing we've seen interesting. NVAX on the third candlestick. So NVDX is a buy here. So let me send this out to subscribers. Buy NVAX at 778. Stop loss. $720. Targets 810 and 840. Or buy at the money calls. So we have an RSI, guys. Our first RSI of the week, NVAX. I apologize if I sent that out a couple minutes late. As you can see, if you're following here on the indicator, you get that buy. So you shouldn't have to AK to tell you to buy that signal. But this is a bearish candlestick, oversold conditions on the 15-minute bar. Bull bar reversal. You buy the bull bar reversal. Stop is under the low of the day. Profit target is 50% of the entry minus stop loss, and then 100% of entry minus stop loss. So we have an official signal in NVAX. First signal of the week, NVAX. We have an official signal here at 778. NVAX. We have an official signal here at 778. NVAX. Official signal here at NVAX at 778. Target will be 810 and 820. And you take that off in the first 2 hours. So first official signal for today, guys. First official signal today, NVAX. On the relative strength index. Whoa, what happened? Oh, there we go. Neo, nice trading. NVAX, guys. NVAX. Buy 778. Keep an eye on KGS. HNRG moving lower. Interactive Brokers higher. Next higher. 6 minutes together, guys. 6 minutes together. Futures only down 4. Have an iron condor. I have an iron condor and actually have an iron butterfly on it. And SPX. SW ripping here. Having a target on SW. I bought those at 155. They're down to 145. Smurfit West Rock. Looks like more of these traded today. Let's see what price they traded. About 1,000 more, 142. So I'd actually probably buy these at 90 cents. Actually buy these at $1. SW, guys. I'm the SW market maker. So SW, 10/17, 2025, 45 calls. I am dollar bid at 2.25. So if they go up, I'll sell them. If they go down, I'll buy them. And that's what it's all about. Put your right foot in. You put your right foot out. Futures making another low, like a lower. You do the hanky-panky and you turn your stuff around. 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go. Had a nice day of profits yesterday. Today, pretty much flat. I've taken some SPX trades. So I've taken put spread, a call spread. I bought APM calls. Sorry, APM stock. And then I did an iron condor in workday. Work a day. Neo calls trading here. Neo 42 cents. Where's my good friend Jumanji? Unchanged in Jumanji. Jumanji. Three minutes, AK. I'll be around tomorrow. So what day is today? Say Thursday? What day is today? Oh, I saw a movie on Wednesday? I didn't realize that. It's because I was in Charlotte for an extra day. More PDD trading here, guys. More PDD. KGS moving lower. Run has been unbelievable. You do run. You do run. Run down to 1430. First holder and run have been on a heater. Again. Recently pulled back. Run got down to 116. Futures down 175. You cannot keep a good market down. I was walking to the movie yesterday, and this guy was talking about Planeteer. How you should buy Planeteer on a pullback. Like, guys, barely pulled back. It's up in a straight line. Now you want to buy it? That's crazy talk. Wow. All right, guys, that is it for me today. What I've done today, workday, iron condors from Mark. 8 p.m. I bought stock. Was a winner from Tim. 2 SPX trades. And that's all I've done. Everybody have a great day. Namaste, healthy, happy, wealthy. I'm headed to Europe. I'll probably be around in the room tomorrow, but you get AK officially Tuesday. I am taking Monday off. It'll be my second day all year. I'll be taking off. So everybody have a great weekend, and I'll see everybody later.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.